Greetings, family. Welcome back to Travel with TayTay. Welcome back to another cooking video. In this video, I'm going to be making one pan of vegan lasagna, and then I'm going to be making a pan of lasagna with ground turkey. I will make the ricotta cheese out of tofu. So I'm going to show you how I did that, and I will put the recipe in the description box. Now let's get started. I'm deciding to add some vegetable broth to my mixture because I want it to be creamy like ricotta cheese. The water is currently boiling, so I'm going to add the noodles. And then the pans are ready already. I have two pans, and then the sauce is warming up. I wasn't able to make my own sauce, so what I used was the tomato basil pasta sauce. I use this sauce because it doesn't have any genetically modified ingredients in it, and it's cheaper than Prego and Ragu. So I added that. I also added a large can of diced tomatoes, the small, finely chopped diced tomatoes. I added some kale, some red peppers, some yellow peppers, onions, garlic, some seasoning, and I just let it simmer. Here is my ground turkey. I like to add some zucchini when I layer it. But yes, I'm going to show you all how I make my vegan lasagna. All right, family, the noodles have been boiled. Some of them are not as thoroughly cooked as the other ones, but they will cook in the oven. So I don't want them to overcook, so that's why I just went ahead and took them out. So I layered the pan with the sauce. There is mushrooms in here as well. So I'm going to put the noodles on, and then I'm going to start layering it. I'm going to start with the vegan dish, and then that one will be the ground turkey dish. Cooking with TayTay. And now I'm going to make the pan that has the ground turkey. So let's start layering and put it in the Ninja air fryer. Unfortunately, both pans won't fit in there at one time, so I'll let the first one cook and then I will move on to the next. All right, so now we are at the top layer. So I'm going to pretty much do my own thing for the top layer because I am running out of cheese and I'm running out of noodles. Now I have more noodles, but I definitely don't have any more vegan cheese and I don't buy regular cheese. So I'm going to use what I have. I have more sauce. I have more meat. I'm going to top the layer off with some noodles. Like I said, if I have to boil more noodles, then I will. But I want to be able to have enough to go on the top layer for the noodles and the cheese. Now, because the noodles are too long, I am piecing together the last pieces that I have. You all saw me cutting the noodles, and that's because, like you can see, it's too long. So I will cut the end to make it fit, and then I just piece the other ones together as such. I love the people that always say, well, it looks good. Well, let me correct that. I love the people that always say, well, even though it may not look good, you know, I don't make the best presentable dishes, but they taste good. I can tell you that. I'm no chef. I am no chef. Never said that I'm a chef, but I do cook. Now, these pieces on the top, I don't know how that's going to come out. Yeah, I don't know how it's going to come out, but I'm going to piece this together so that way I don't have to make any more noodles. I mean, honestly, I'm the only one eating it, so it's okay. I do share with my friend, and she wants the vegan one, so she doesn't. I don't have to worry about her saying why does the top look like this? But let me see if I can turn this one sideways. Yes, that gives me a little bit more. But honestly, I really don't. I care how it looks, but I really don't. So I'll put some sauce on the top and I'll put some cheese on the top, and then this will go in the oven as well. Ninja fryer, not the oven. So I'll top it with sauce, and then I do have a little bit more of ricotta cheese, imitation, right? Because I'm not using ricotta cheese. I use the tofu. So I have a little bit more of a mixture of the tofu mixture. So I'm just going to put that on the top with the rest of the vegan cheese and some sauce, and this pan will be done as well. Thanks for watching. So I'm cooking this on 350. We have about almost 11 minutes left. I decided to put aluminum foil over the top because I don't want the noodles and the cheese to dry out. I'm going to do the same thing for the other pan once this is done. Y'all know I'm going to show you the final result. Pair it with a salad and we're good to go. No garlic bread. That's going to make TayTay fat.